I apologize for the absolute disaster of a wood shop that I have at the moment, but it is the middle of winter, so... this is the 16-inch Cowan Co jointer. It is about 6 feet long, 3 feet wide and 3 feet tall. Rough measurements, of course. Weighs roughly around metric ton, as it's 100% cast iron. You can see here that beside the cutter head, beside the Babbitt bearings, which are not ball bearings, this is pre-ball bearing era, there are two little wicks, one there and one back here. You would drench those in oil and then they would constantly lubricate the Babbitt bearings from being worn down from the use from the cutter head. The cutter head itself has two knives, each being held in by, I don't know how many, 5 bolts. And you don't want to use lock bolts on these, just so that you can have a full surface area of the wide washer. On the back here, you have the two belts, brand new belts, brand new pulleys, being run by a brand new 5 horsepower farm duty ball door single phase motor, which is mounted on the bottom. And this is the motor mounting bracket. Extended to the front so that you have adjustment forwards and backwards so that you can position the motor where it needs to be. The tables have been ground down by CNC. There's a little bit of sawdust on them right now, which makes them look really dirty. However, they are precise to the 1,000th of an inch. Also, to be hooked up onto the jointer, I should be doing that tomorrow, there is a square D magnetic starter. The thermal overload for the motor is actually incorporated into the motor itself, so you don't need one on the starter. So if for any reason the motor continues to draw too many amps, the overload on the motor itself will pick up the slack and shut it off. So over here we have the two pieces to the fence. Both original. There are some broken castings on them, which is why there will be a Baltic birch fence included instead, just for precision. As for the beast itself, she does run, and we'll turn it on. And she stops just as fast as she starts. So again, this is the 16-inch Cowan Co jointer, being run on single phase, 5 horsepower motor. It's been resurrected from the 1940s out of Galt, Ontario, just outside of Kitchener.